Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's been long. It's been a long time. I've been busy working on our projects official in my group and to the VIPs. Yeah, there is what I want to correct. There are certain assumptions I want to correct when doing your storyline, SnR storyline. There are so many, we have so many teachers, we have so many self-acclaimed mentors just started maybe like, if I don't really know if they are trading for them to have been promoting such assumptions. You know, the assumptions that support and resistance cannot be used again if it has been taken out or if it has been used in the past more than 3 times. It cannot be reused. That is wrong, very, very wrong. From my own experience, I've taken time to prove this wrong. Assumption wrong, yeah. So this is the latest project I'm doing right now that will redefine replace the other ones. So here I have some assumptions I listed here that will prove wrong every assumption you must have come across, you know, that doesn't hold ground. It doesn't hold ground. Yeah. Here I say price action on SnR level is traded as active and not passive. And not passive. It's traded as being active and not passive. So it does not matter how many times an SnR level is broken. It is the present status of that SnR from its origin that counts. So many traders have formed a wrong assumption that an SnR remains invalid to trade after being broken or touched for more than 3 times. That's very wrong. I've watched so many videos, listening to some even Malaysian, self-acclaimed Malaysian traders who still promote this. No, it has been proven wrong. It has been traded and tested as a wrong. To challenge its assumptions. So in that my project, you see how these levels have been tested in the past as a stronghold support. Then it was broken through, and it got retested so many times, got retested, seen being used in several times, See it? So I challenge that in the recent project that's coming up in region man that's coming up. I really challenge that. Yeah. So and other in the live trading session, which I will take it through, have the pounds, USD, have the gold, USD, then have the Bitcoin itself. Yeah. It works in all financial markets, including Bitcoin, synthetic indices, US stock indices, Forex, crude oil. It works in all financial markets. So you have to be very, very careful in the assumptions you follow. You have to be very, very careful because so much junks in this business of trading. There are so many junks. There's so much junks. So you must be very, very careful of what you listen to, of what you follow to form your own assertive or assertions, to form your own narratives. You must be very, very careful. Yeah, if you have not been trading, you have to trade to prove if that assumption holds or not. Yeah, here if we see this, you trace it backward, you see that this level that is being rejected must have been traded several times. See it here, must have been traded several times. If you trace it backward, you know, trace it back, you realize that it has been traded, it has been broken, retested so many times, so many times, so many times, even to this level. Yeah, so many times. So you can see that here, from here, you got retested, taken out, broken above, broken downward, then it became a fresh here, became a fresh resistance here. Here, it was taken out, then got rejected as a resistance, then broken through. Here became a support, a fresh support. It was broken through, became a fresh resistance, broken through again above, became a support. It was broken through below, became a fresh resistance. Can you imagine this? So if you were to hold on to that absorption, you would not have the policy to take this trade. This is a fresh, because it became a fresh support here. Sorry, a fresh resistance here, because this is a fresh support here, then taking out became a fresh resistance. Yeah, and what do you have here? You have a rejection, and price came down, all the way down. Yeah, and it moved again, got retested again, probably because of this, this level got retested, and because this level 2 in the past has been, so you just have to focus yourself on the present status of that SNR level. Is it fresh or not fresh? That is what matters. It is not what happened. It is not where it's coming from, that how many times it has been taken, or how many times it has been used. But what matters is the present status of that SNR. Is it fresh? Is it unfresh? That's what you need to focus upon. That's what you need to focus upon, especially where that level is a stronghold. I mean, a congestion area which become a kind of a decision for the market to break through. If the market broke through it, that means it's going to be a wide chase, in the other side. So it became a fresh resistance here. After being taken out here, became a fresh resistance. Then price moved back into it, took out liquidity, and voila, what comes in? You can see the big drop. Then also this one too, you can see here, this is a present fresh level of an SNR, became a fresh, but in the past, it has been used in the past. It has been used in the past. If you trace it backward, trace it back to here, it has been used. It has been used. So take it back, 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 take it back. Far back. You see that it has been used in several times. That be used. So it become a strong, a psychological level. It becomes a psychological level. Yeah. For market to react to in the future. In the subsequent trading of it to become a psychological level. So that is what so many people don't know. Yeah, experience matters in this business. You don't just come up with an absorption you read somewhere and you want to promote that. Yeah, you see how it has been. She did broken below, then became a resistance, a new fresh resistance to take. Then was broken above, a fresh support, taken out. We got retested several times. Got retested. Then finally it became a fresh resistance here. They took off these and came down. Voila. So that is for that. Then we have this as pounds USD. This pounds USD. If you look at this place here, you see that this has been used in the past several times. Have been used in the past several times. We can trace it back to this area that has been used in the past. So it becomes a stronghold to to be reused again in the future. So it got broken, retest. I mean, a retest, be rejected here, broken above became a fresh support, broken below became a fresh resistance. Then price retested it here, got reject, and what happens there? You can imagine what happens after thereabout. I want to show you this too. You see this? You see this? That got being reused now and then. Reused now and then. See this? So you have to be very careful in those assumptions that do not hold water. That got rejected. This is a breakout, a gap breakout. A gap breakout became a fresh resistance. Rejected, broke through, became a fresh support. That's why you got that rejection there. A fresh support. A fresh support was broken through, became a fresh resistance, and got reused again. See it? So it really doesn't matter the numbers of times. What matters to you is the present state of the status of the SnR. Yeah. If it is fresh, it can also be reused. I mean, now and then, it's not a matter of times it has been used. I don't know where they got that from. That assumption, wrong assumption. So like this place, for example, you see this? We trace it back here. This is this will be reused now and then. Reused now and then. If you take it upward there, you see that it is the same level of this thing that has still be used several times. So then we go to BTC. This is BTC. You see from here we trace it backward here. We got this thing here that it has been used in the past. You see, that be used in the past. That be used in the past from here. See it from here. Got we tested several times. It was broken through, became a fresh resistance, then rejected. Here we have this gap here, became a fresh support, then put back it, price put back into it and got rejected. You got a big chase after this breakout. Because the level has been reused before. We time this as KML or whatever the thing you want to put it. So those are the points you need to understand. You see this place for sell. This place for sell, if you look very well, you see that this place has been reused several times in the past. So it is being reused here also. A breakout, then we have a fresh resistance, broken through, became support, broken through, became a fresh resistance, broken through, became a fresh support, was broken through, then it became a fresh resistance here, taken out thereafter, it was broken above, then became a fresh support. Then we have a reject, then finally we have this gap, which is broken through here, and it became a fresh resistance for this to take. So you do not be confused about what you need. The price reject is what you just need to focus on. It doesn't process liquidity sweep. So I've discussed about the setup in that manner, or you can see approach me for a personal this is how to trade all these levels. Then you can have several times of fresh level in a particular. You'll be confused which one to take. That will be in my next video. I'm going to handle that. I'm going to discuss about that in my next video. Yeah, about which levels of SNR to take among multiple fresh SNR levels, what to use, how do you identify the fresh one that is potential, that's significant for price, where which price will take and ignore the rest one? Yeah, and what is the this behind that fresh levels? So we'll talk about that in my next video. So God bless you. To control this, be very, very careful of this scam. A lot of people have been going about, probably they come out of my group and trying to sell their words. I don't know where they try to sell their softwares and scam people, their hard-earned cash. Be very, very careful. If it is not this, check the username. If it is not this, it's not coming from me. So they go about right now representing me, that they represent me. They want to try to sell to you one program or the other. They are everywhere. They are everywhere right now. They are everywhere. Some of them have been talking rubbish, and because I don't want to listen to telling me if that yes or if that level holds, or I don't give support, I set up you. So be very, very careful, and you don't want to be scammed. Not to be scammed, please. A lot of fake. And this is going about promoting one program or the other. Yeah, not just there to trade. I just there to come into a group and take advantage of free posts and try to DM people or private my account management or a software that you can use to pass your account, this and that, blah 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 blah, several that means so spamming you. So I have to be very careful. Be very careful. So it is not me. It is not. I did not send anybody to represent me. So I don't have a representative, no proxy, no friend on trading. So I don't send anybody to represent me. So you have to be very, very careful. Very, very careful. God bless you. So in my next video, I'm going to explain that first levels of mSNR to take your storyline. God bless you.